Resume. So Omicslogic is a training program developed by Pine Biotech, which has been started as a technology transfer company from the University of Haifa, from the Tauber Bioinformatics Research Center. There at the center, the team is focused on developing novel algorithmic approaches to multi-omics data integration. And we have a team that works on translating that research platform to practical use in many different areas of molecular medicine, genomics, transcriptomics, metagenomics, and other types of omics data. But as a result of this, we have developed a program that is now being used by thousands of people from around the world and multiple universities. And as a result, we have trained a number of students and researchers to utilize some of the resources to elevate their level of bioinformatics and provide with excellent support to use big data in various areas of research. So Omicslogic is essentially a program that provides training in bioinformatics that enables independent research that is guided by mentors and peer example. And we are developing a growing community with shared passion for data-driven research and appreciation of citizen science. So not only researchers that are already doing research, but also those that are interested to do that and are interested to do that even without a deep expertise that they already possess. And our goal is to enable students, clinicians, and faculty of all backgrounds to develop novel and independent research using the latest technology in life and data science. And so what we've realized over the course of these programs is that data science plays a central role in the ability to extract meaningful insights from biomedical and biological data. And as a result, we identified the need to provide training in statistical analysis and machine learning, design of experiments, how to properly design them to get the right kind of information, including elimination of technical variation, and provide tools and skills in data mining for meaningful patterns and associations between phenotype and genotype at multiple omics levels, and to study complex biological systems using big data. So the goal of this data science program is to really introduce the participants to various types of omics data, including different technical formats and data types and file formats, and what are the specific challenges to translate those raw data formats to structured data formats, to learn about exploratory data analysis and the steps of processing data in preparation for downstream analysis. So how to actually use the information that is structured and prepared, and what kinds of considerations we should have before we start the analysis itself. Introduce the participants to big data analysis tools for large-scale project data, and to try different methods of machine learning in R and Python, and then to learn the important links between data and biology. So how to interpret the found patterns, linking the methods that were used to analyze the data with biologically meaningful insights. Who is this program for? So the program is really for anyone with an interest in biological data, and specifically in omics data, including students from high school, colleges, universities, but also for biologists and clinicians that have some kind of research work that is probably acquiring more and more characteristics of a data science project. And what is a data science project, essentially? A data science project is a project that requires in-depth understanding of data, how it was generated, what does it represent, what is the context of the project itself. It also requires to wrangle and process that data. So oftentimes we start from a dump of data, whether it is raw sequencing reads or all kinds of notes about something. So it's really unorganized information. And the final part of it is that there's a challenge, and the challenge is to work through all of this mess and translate that into something meaningful. And meaningful can mean visualization, so that the visualization visually the data is summarized in a proper way. It could also mean that we are going to take some biological experiment that can be viewed through multiple different perspectives, and we need to understand what do all of these perspectives mean, and that means data integration. And also it can mean we can train some kind of a machine learning model to help us understand what happens in a new data set based on a data set we've already explored. So we'll talk about all of these components, but I think that all of them are relevant for students that are learning about this, or for practitioners, those that are already using this kind of data in their